Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am super excited. How many times have you heard me say that? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, for today's video, I am super excited. I know I say that all the time, but I'm pretty excited most days. Just about life, just about being healthy and thankful for all of my blessings. I do want to say Happy Easter to all of you. In Greek, Kalopasha, Christos Anesti. And yeah, I celebrate both. So it's a very special day. It's the most important day of the year. And I just wanted to acknowledge Easter. I did go to church today. It was a really nice service. I went with my family. And I thought, before I relax and get into my shorts, I'm just gonna run up and film this video because this is something that I ordered and got in last week. Okay, so I'm not gonna dilly or dally or any of that kind of stuff because I'm gonna show you here in a minute. I have already looked at it, but it's vintage, and that is what is so exciting to me because I've been wanting to add to my vintage collection. So we're gonna go ahead and open it up and I'll tell you a little bit more about it. Oh, before I show you my new bag, I will show you the bag that I chose to wear for Easter, and it's this gorgeous Coach bag. And you guys, I have several of these, and I'm considering adding another one because I love these. I always say these are my classic flaps. They are classic flaps, and they have a C on them. But I love this bag and I love the color. This is my all-time favorite color that Coach does, and they're beautiful leathers. So this is my bag of the day, but I will be changing out because I want to change into my new one. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and show you what I got. I wasn't really planning it. I just kind of came upon it. I joined a Facebook group called Louis Vuitton GOLDMINE. Now you can find other brands on that page, but mostly Louis Vuitton. So I was just kind of browsing, and I felt like for the condition of this bag, I got a really great deal. And I've been wanting to add to my vintage bags. So I got this gorgeous bucket bag in the Ebene, okay? This bag is in immaculate shape. And I spoke with a seller, and she had, really good ratings. And I'm telling you guys, there's not a flaw on this bag. I know it's a little bumpy right now, and I can straighten it out. But the canvas is very, very durable. This bag is 21 years old. So it was made in France and in 2004. So look at it, you guys. I love it. I absolutely love it. Look at the bottom of it. Immaculate. It is just a beautiful find. And I paid right at $500 for this bag. I thought, that's a good buy. Like, I haven't really done a lot of research on maybe what a bag like this would be, but I felt like it was a really good buy because it is in immaculate condition. The inside is so clean. Whoever had this bag, it's hard to see inside, but it has the microfiber lining on the inside. There is not a mark in this bag, okay? There is 2 zippers equally on each side, where you could, put your wallet in there if you wanted to and make it really secure. Now, there's no closure, so I would definitely utilize one of these pockets to put my card holder or my wallet in because of the fact that there is no closure. But, it doesn't bother me. I really just kind of got this bag for another rainy day bag, just running around town bag. And I just thought it was beautiful. And she sent me more pictures that she had listed. And I thought, I think I'm going to go ahead and get it. So I'm so excited. And when I got it, it looked even better in person. It looks like a brand new bag to me. And this canvas is definitely very thick, very durable, and it's in fabulous shape to be 21 years old. Oh, and let me show you the dust bag again. I love the drawstring dust bags. I have not gotten a drawstring dust bag with a new bag in years. I don't even know if they still make them, but I love it. Look at that. I love it. And well, you pull it on both sides. I just love this, and it's very thick. This is kind of cool. I have several from years back, but I really love it, and I absolutely love this. I feel like it was an amazing find for $500 because now a wallet is over $500. So this is a really good bag, and it rains a lot here where I live. That's my phone going off. It rains a lot here where I live, and I know I'm going to get a lot of use out of this. That's really all I have for you guys today. Just a short and sweet video to share with you my new vintage handbag, 21 years old, in immaculate shape. I love it. I will contact the seller and see if I can give out her contact information. I need to okay that with her, and if she says yes, I will list her in my description box below Becca. And you guys, speaking of Becca, I have something fabulous coming. I cannot wait. I mean, it's a new release, and I ordered it probably 4 or 5 weeks ago, and it's shipped. So that's something to look forward to. You know, anytime I have a new bag coming, yay, it's something to look forward to. All right, so what I'm going to do is, over the weekend, me and my cousin and our 2 daughters, we had a fabulous weekend celebrating my daughter's 40th birthday. Yes, she's 40. And I'm going to insert some photos of our fun weekend. And I'm also going to insert a couple of Easter photos of baby Drew and me and my 2 grandsons. So my big grandson, who's like 6'2" or 3, I don't know, Evan, and then baby Drew. It's so funny because they're 20 years apart, but I want to go ahead and insert a photo of just a few photos from Easter. So I do have a collaboration coming up on Wednesday with Dawn and Jorgelina and Winnie. So yeah, that's coming up on Wednesday. Not sure what's going to happen after that, but yeah, I'm gonna, you know, I'm still putting out the videos, you guys. Don't worry. I keep getting messages. People are like, oh, please don't stop YouTube. I'm not stopping. I'm just slowing down a bit, and I'm not putting pressure on myself because literally for 6 years, that's what I've done. And it just kind of caught up with me. I'm surprised it didn't catch up with me sooner, but I'm going to continue to put out videos because I love you guys so much. I normally hold this little sign up and say, please subscribe. I'm trying to make it to 7,000, you guys, but I don't think I'm ever going to get there. I try not to be pessimistic, but I don't know what's going on with my channel. I'll go up 10 subscribers, and then a few days later, they're all gone. I don't know if YouTube is messing with me, if it's bots. Like, I really don't know what's going on, but it's okay because I'm here for you, the ones of you that are loyal to me and watch me and, you know, you enjoy my videos, and I'm here for you guys. So yeah, if you want to subscribe, that would be great. I would really appreciate it, but I really appreciate you guys watching and spending time with me. I hope you will join me again soon. I was just really excited to share with you my beautiful new vintage bag. So I'll see you guys very, very soon. Peace.